In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Analytics tracking ID in WordPress in just 5 minutes. This is a crucial step if you want to analyze your website's performance and gather valuable insights about your audience. So, let's dive right in and get you set up without any hassle. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com, which is your one-stop solution for building and managing your site. This platform is designed to make your experience as smooth as possible, whether you're running a blog, business, or anything in between. Once you're on the site, find and click on the Login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your credentials and access your WordPress dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your site. From here, you're going to look for the Plugins option on the sidebar. Clicking on Plugins will reveal more options related to managing existing plugins and adding new ones. Now, what you're looking to do next is click on Add Plugin. This option enables you to incorporate new functionalities into your site. It's much like adding apps to your smartphone to expand its capabilities. After you click it, a search bar will become visible to you. In this search bar, you'll want to type Use SiteKit. SiteKit by Google is an incredibly useful plugin that integrates your site with Google Analytics and other Google services. This plugin offers a streamlined way to get key metrics, so you don't have to juggle between different platforms. Once you've searched for Use SiteKit, you'll see the plugin icon pop up. When you locate SiteKit by Google, go ahead and click on it. This will open a page with more details about the plugin. Here, you should see a button that says Install and Activate. Go ahead and click that button to add the plugin to your site's toolkit. And there you have it. You've now installed and activated the SiteKit by Google plugin. This is the gateway to setting up your Google Analytics tracking ID, enabling you to gather essential data on your website's traffic and performance. With these analytics at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions to optimize your content and improve user experience. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on managing your WordPress site efficiently. Have a great day.